Here's my coupon haul for the weekend, or coupon heist. I call it a heist because they actually paid me. This is $301.03 worth of goods, and when it was all said and done, they paid me $40.87. They paid me, yes, and they paid me in gas. You know, buy these $50 gas cards, and I paid this $40.26 for this one. I paid $43.45 for this one, $31.49 for that one, $43.90. I was taking advantage of this coupon they had for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I went 4 different days, 4 different transactions, $10 off of 50. So here's what I got. Mainly, I got 16 of these contact solutions. They were $10.49 BOGO with 5 off of each. Coupons right there. I got these cat foods that came to around 7 cents each. Coupons right there, $1 off of 2. They're BOGO. These actually got paid. It was a money maker. I used a store coupon, manufacturer coupon, and a bought. Ended up being a money maker. This as well was a money maker. This Bella dog food was another category coupon combined with the 50 off. 10 off of 50, 5 off of 25. Manufacturer coupon as well as a bought on that. I had a bought on this. A bought on this. A bought as a rebate. It pays you back. Those are free. This was these were $2, $1.50 off, so they're about 50 cents each. These were all free with digital coupons, and there it is. All the descriptions, all the details are in the description below. And now, if only I had a car that used gas, if you really want an extreme coupon and run to the grocery stores without paying for fuel, right here is how you do it. And subscribe to this guy. And there's a couple other videos here when I got paid. So this is paid to shop again and again.